How to use Expedia ExtraNet. Expedia ExtraNet, also known as Expedia Partner Central, is the platform used by property managers and hoteliers to manage their listings, bookings, and communications on Expedia Group platforms. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use it effectively. Log in to Expedia Partner Central using your credentials. Complete your profile with details about your property, amenities, photos, policies, room types, and rates. Update room prices and availability, and adjust rates dynamically to match demand. Manage reservations, modify bookings, and view guest details. Respond to guest inquiries and send updates through the platform's messaging system. Analyze occupancy, revenue, and guest reviews to optimize your listing. Use the Help Center or contact Expedia for assistance. Thanks for watching.